Hello, my name is Cindy Garcia, and this is my presentation for fiscal solvency for the City of Baldwin Park for the MPA 530 Public Finance and Budgeting course. In this presentation, I will be discussing Baldwin Park's CAFR report, fiscal solvency strength for the City of Baldwin Park, the indicators that I've used to assess this, and the difference between a city budget versus a CAFR report. Okay, as I begin to give my presentation on the fiscal health for the City of Baldwin Park, there's one important factor in the CAFR's report that I wanted to begin by addressing, which is in the opinion section of the report of independent auditors. This section I provided a screenshot of here in this slide, and it reads, "The financial statement referred to above present fairly, in all material respects, the respective financial position of the government activities, the business type activities, each major fund, and the aggregate remaining fund information of the City of Baldwin Park, California, as of June 30, 2019, and their respective changes in financial position, and where applicable, cash flows thereof of the year then ended in accordance with the accounting principles generally accepted in the United States." So key terms to be looking at in the opinion section are the verbiage that show present fairly, and also in accordance with accounting principles generally accepted. What this means is that the audit conducted for the fiscal year ending in 2019 was accounted for and recorded accurately. As of June 30, 2019, the general fund cash balance was $6.7 million plus $5.9 million committed for future development and $735,969 for community enhancement. The indicators that I used to assess the fiscal solvency were net asset ratio, cash ratio, and quick ratio. In the slide you see now, I provided a screenshot of the statements of the net position. Here, I highlighted the total assets and the total liabilities. The total liabilities assessed exceeds the total liabilities. I've also highlighted the unrestricted, also known as the magic number, which appears to be in the negative number. By being in the negative side, the burden falls into the future taxpayers. But after calculating the net positions and the unrestricted number, the total net position is at $66,667,625. In this slide, we have a screenshot of the CAFR statement of activities, where it shows the government-wide activities and the total general revenues and transfers. In this statement of activities, one key element to pay close attention to is the transfers in and out, total general revenues, and transfer section. If the number is negative, then the government lost money and did not balance the budget for that year. For Baldwin Park, the total amount is $34,313,881. Okay, so the budget and the CAFR are two different ways of looking at the city finances. The budget is a statement of proposed expenditures over the course of the coming year, while the CAFR is quite different. The CAFR looks backwards on what happened in the last year. It includes a number of items that are not addressed in the city budget. This includes statement of net assets and the statement of activities. While the budget looks at activities for the proposed year or in the short term, the CAFR, on the other hand, looks at the activities over the long term. CAFR also differs from the budget because CAFR reports balance sheets items and the budget does not. As I conclude my presentation, as stated in the previous slides, although the magic number is in the negative side, the City of Baldwin Park is still in moderate to good fiscal health. The general fund cash balance supersedes the liabilities. This concludes my presentation of the City of Baldwin Park's fiscal solvency. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.